Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to my channel. So in this brief video, I'm gonna be explaining the registration process for the JET program. The JET program is Japan Exchange and Teaching Program. So if you're interested in coming to Japan as an LT, which means to come to Japan as a teacher, an English teacher, then you can watch this video so that you can get some information about this process. So the very first thing that you need to do is go to the JET program's website, which I'm going to be leaving below. So you go into that website because you're going to find out what documents you need to hand in to start your registration process. So once you have gathered all those documents, you're going to go to your nearest embassy, your nearest Japanese embassy, and you're going to hand in those documents. Yes, you have to hand in the hard copy documents. For Interac, you do it online. The initial application process is done online, but for JET, you have to gather all your documents and hand it in. This has to be done between October to early December of each year. If you want to come to Japan next year, which is 2020, next year April or August, then you have to meet this deadline, and it's November now, so you should have already submitted the documents. So once you have submitted the documents between October to early December, in January the embassy will start reviewing the applications that they have received. In February, you will know if you are successful or not. If you are successful, then you will be called in for an interview at the nearest embassy or consulate. Once you have passed the interview stage, then late March, April, or late July, August, you will be flown out to Tokyo. So in Tokyo, you will have your orientation training, and then I guess you will be sent to wherever you are placed. So you can be placed anywhere in Japan, from Hokkaido up north to Kyushu, south of Japan. I'm in Yokohama. I've said this before. So guys, if you are coming to Japan and you want any tips or you want to meet up or anything like that, you can always let me know, and once I'm available, then I'll see what I can do. With JET, you have to submit all your documents at once at the beginning of your registration process, while with Interac, you start online first. This is a very brief video, so I have left out a lot of stuff, but I just wanted you guys to get an idea that with JET, you have to get all the documents first, then hand it in, while with Interac, you do it online first, and then you gradually go through the process. But if there's any vital information that I have left out, please write them below so that other persons can also benefit from the information. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be continuing the Japan series. So if there's any other video that you'd like me to do, you can always just leave them below and I'll do them for you, of course. Anyways, bye guys.